Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 1 year supply active disposal cleaner. This brand is fantastic. I've used their jetted bathtub cleaner and their mold and mildew reducer. This stuff also does not disappoint. It does come in a very nice package, citrus scent. This will help clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect for an entire year. You can use this every other week. They provide you with all the tablets in here, all nicely laid out, a nice little thank you card there, and even a way that you can write on here memoing exactly which month and how many times and where you do it. But basically these come in a little pack like this. Each tablet is going to help clean out the sink every other week. You're going to open this up. It's a little marshmallow like hockey puck thing here. You're going to want to use some hot water. I've already got the water prepped here a little bit. We're going to run this down here like to a trickle, and then we're going to toss this in there and kick on the garbage disposal, and that'll help clean it out. Now, that even foamed up out the other side, and what that's doing is that's actually cleaning up all the gunk that is in your pipes, and it smells so much better, and that hopefully will help keep eating that with that enzyme. It's safe for pipes, safe for septic tanks. This is great. Thank you guys again for sending it.